Good morning class. Already we have discussed about pH scale that it was developed by L. Sorensen in the year of 1909. Okay, and here you can see that pH scale it starts with acidic solution, neutral solution, and alkaline, that means basic solution. Children, when we'll talked about pH scale, the pH range when we'll talked about it is lying in 0 to 14. 0 to 7 are acidic solution and 7 is a neutral one, and pH lying between 7 to 14 they are the alkaline or basic solution. Now in the next image you can see the pH scale with the colorful manner. You can see the color of acidic solution as well as alkaline, that means basic and neutral solution, and we do the activity based on this, so kindly see it carefully children. Here I have taken such solution, acidic and basic solution, and we start to do the activity with the apparatus. You can see here, yes, you can see here that is a red litmus paper, that is a blue litmus paper, is a pH paper. It starts with 1 ends up with 10. हमारे पास अभी 1 to 10 के लिए है available, so that is pH paper. You can see here test tubes 10. This is blue color test tubes 10 and 4 test tubes along with hold in the test tube stand. This is new, that is particular which is known as a dropper. आप जो देख रहे हो यहाँ पे that is known as a dropper, which is used to take out a drop of the particular liquid which is given in 4 of the test tube on the particular strips of paper. Now children, what we have learned, by the litmus paper we can identify whether the solution which are there in the test tubes are acidic or basic. But with this pH paper, what we can identify that how much acids and base are strong. Lower the value of pH, they are more acidic, that what we have learned, and higher the value of pH, that are known as more basic solution. Let us do the activity by dropping the particular drop of the solution from the test tube and identify how much the particular given solutions are, whether acidic or basic. So children, let us do the particular test whether first we are finding that are acidic or basic by dropping drop of the solution on red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. See it carefully children. Yes, children, you can see that is a blue paper strips, red litmus paper, and that is a pH paper strips. Now what I am going to do is I am just taking a drop, single drop of the solution from beaker A and keeping it on the blue. So there is no change in the blue litmus paper, but if I am putting that on that, you can see the change. Red turns to blue, that means the solution in beaker 1, that is highly, we can say that it is highly basic solution. But how we are finding it that it is highly basic or not, so we are using pH paper. So again what I am doing is I am taking a drop and just putting it on that pH paper. It turns to a very violet color type of change. So you can see that change over here. So here it is 10 only, but it is equal to 14 because that solution which is there in this one, that is highly basic solution, that is NaOH solution, and it is related with 14. You can check out this color in the pH paper which I have shown in this video only earlier. Now I am taking the solution from the beaker B or test tube B. So here there is a no change. You can see that there will be a no change on that particular. Again there will be no change. That means that may be a neutral solution, but here it turns into green color. You can see here it is just match up with the 7 so we can say that it is water is having pH which is equal to 7 and it is a neutral one. Now children, I am just taking the solution from the test tube. You can have a beaker also, but हाँ यहाँ पे है हमारे पास test tube, so I am just taking a single drops, and again I start to just keep it on that particular. So you can see that blue turns to red, which is saying that it is acidic solution. It will give no change on red litmus paper. You can see here it will not giving any kind of change on red litmus paper children. Okay, and again when I am just keeping a drop, it turns into orange color which is near to the 4 pH 4. सो वी कैन से दैट जो टेस्ट ट्यूब 3 में है उसके pH है 4. नाउ what we are doing is we are just taking the solution from test tube number 4. Okay, now I am just keeping that particular, that means yes, it is also acidic in nature. It will give no change to the red litmus paper, but here you can see that the pH is there equal to 1. pH is equal to 1, children. Here the pH is equal to 4. Here the pH is equal to 7. You can see here, and that pH we don't have in the pH paper, but that is equal to 14. You can see the change of the color over that particular पेपर भी देखो ब्लू कलर का हो गया, डार्कन ब्लू वायलेट कलर टाइप का हो गया है. अगर मैं रख रही हूँ तो दैट मीन्स द पर्टिकुलर pH says us about the strength of the acidic and basic nature. By this paper only you can say that, by red litmus paper, by blue litmus paper, only you can say whether the solutions are acidic or basic, that much only. But by pH paper you can say that how much among these solutions are highly acidic or basic. So we identify that yes, the solution which is there in test tube A, that is basic solution with pH equal to 14. Here that is pH is equal to 7, a neutral solution might be distilled water is there in this test tube. Test tube C, pH is equal to 4, that is acidic solution. pH is equal to 1, that is again acidic solution. Among both of the test tube, that pH is equal to 1, which is highly acidic solution. So we can say that yes, this activity proved that lower the value of pH, they are the highly acidic solution, and higher the pH of the solution, they are known as highly basic solution. Now you just see the pH of other particular substance like tea and coffee in the next image. So see that also in a careful manner, children. This is the pH value for your further information. So you can copy out this pH value in your notebook also or in your textbook for a writing purpose. कभी कभी ये पूछी जा सकती है. So this is all about the pH scale. So this is all about, and in the next class we learn about the family of salts. Thank you and have a nice day, children, and stay at home, stay safe at home. Thank you.